The future of fashion. How Levi's is innovating with their product line for the US market. For over a century, Levi's has been a household name in the world of fashion, and now the iconic brand is taking bold steps towards the future. Levi's is known for their classic denim jeans, but they are expanding their product line to cater to the changing needs of their customers. We understand that fashion trends and consumer preferences are constantly evolving. That's why we are always looking for innovative ways to create products that meet the needs of our customers. Levi's is introducing new products that not only look stylish, but are also sustainable and comfortable to wear. Levi's is committed to sustainability, and they have introduced new techniques and materials to reduce their carbon footprint and promote environmental responsibility. Levi's products are not only fashionable, but they are also affordable and accessible to everyone. We believe that fashion should be inclusive and affordable. That's why we offer a range of products that cater to different budgets and financing options. Levi's is not just a fashion brand, it's a lifestyle. With their innovative product line, commitment to sustainability, and dedication to accessibility, Levi's is paving the way for the future of fashion. Thanks for watching.